welcome back everyone to this week's video.
And today we are gonna find out who is the better drifter between us.
In the first round, we will find out who has the best donut control. We both have 2 attempts each to try and outperform the other. The goal, make the cleanest donut and get back to the start.
To determine who is gonna start and who's gonna go second, we have
A random picker.
yes. So we're gonna put a finger on it and it's gonna choose one for us. That's gonna decide who's gonna start. So
3, 2, 1.
Yes! All right.
So, he will start.
Looks like I'm gonna be up first. So.
Wait, I don't think it's a good thing to start though.
You think?
No.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Let's
now.
see. Okay, we just set everything up. 1 camera's there. I have the big camera here and Sam has 1 camera and 1 GoPro on his head for a POV.
I'm really nervous. It's also so incredibly hot, so I'm profusely sweating. I'm so sorry. It's 30 degrees right now.
Who is gonna win? I don't know. Well, let's wish him luck. Good luck, I will say.
All right, thank you. We'll see. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ready, guys? Here we go.
Woo!
Oh my god, that is so incredibly hard. Oh.
This is our first time drifting, so of course we need to learn, but look.
I think the tire is broken. Oh my god, wait. I heard something.
What's wrong?
I heard something.
Ah, I see something drip. Try one more time. Just a lot of smoke. But it looks cool.
Yeah?
It looks cool. We'll try one more round. So let's see how it does.
Okay, here we go.
Who do you think will win? That's how you call a perfect drift.
Yes! Ah, that was good.
Perfect!
Good, man.
That's
It's a 1, man.
In the one?
Yeah.
It looks flawless.
Oh my
it
god.
looks flawless.
Good.
And it smells so nice. Good job!
turn.
Good job!
Let's go, bro. Okay, now it's Luke's time. Let's see who does better.
Okay guys, now it's my turn.
Are you ready?
Wait, can you turn on the...
Oh yeah, I can. Okay.
Beast mode
Ready?
time, guys. Ooh, I'm
go.
nervous. Okay. Start the engine. POV is on. And guys, holy damn, I'm nervous. Oh, here we go.
Okay, so another time?
Another time. Oh my god. Okay, one more time.
Yep, one more time, let's go.
Yeah!
Let's go! That was in the 2, right?
Yeah.
I
No,
saw-
in the 1.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ah, now I get the feeling.
Yeah.
Ah, one more time.
Let's see, how many do you think you have left?
No, 3 laps.
3 laps?
Yeah, in total.
Okay, should we do figure 8, round 2?
Yes, round
Okay,
2.
Let's go, round 2. The second round is a figure 8 challenge. Each of us gets 2 attempts to make the cleanest run and return back to the starting point. The winner will be the one with the most control, consistency and the smoothest line. So now it's round 2 and we're gonna start off here. We're gonna drive all the way here. Then we're gonna make it half donut or full one. And then we're gonna go to a figure 8 there, do a right turn and then come back. So let's see who's gonna win this round and who's gonna shred the most tire. Let's go.
Okay, so we both have 2 times 48. Sam is gonna start on round 2. Well, round 1 went pretty well.
Yeah.
If I have to say.
Round 2? Okay. Guys, we're ready for the round 2. Figure 8. Coming up 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Round 2.
Here it goes.
Some cones were dead on the way. Like 3 cones. This is good.
That wasn't great. It wasn't a figure
It was
8.
decent though.
It was a good donut, but I wasn't
3 cones died on the way.
I was in the wrong gear the whole time.
What gear we were in?
In 3.
3?
Yeah, I was like, I have no power, and bro, I was like, oh shit, I'm in 3.
The second time you were in the 8 here, well, pretty well.
Then I went into 4th instead of 2nd. I think I can do better.
And you think, but well, I think as well.
Yeah.
Because the car, I don't know why, but it automatically shifts in gears up.
Yeah. Which is very annoying.
Upshift, yeah. That's why it's more difficult right now.
Should we try one more time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. You got this. It looks so easy from the outside, but when you're actually inside, it's pretty difficult. But once you have the feeling, I think we can do like good drifting. It's the first time for the both of us, so let's see what he does in round 2, and hopefully I win the second round. But the first one was definitely from him. That's for sure.
Okay, are we ready for second round? I demolished a lot of cones, but it's alright.
In 3, in 2, in 1. The tires go pretty good.
Wrong gear. That is annoying. Let's try this again.
Oh, those tires.
It automatically shifts.
¿Qué pasa, hombre?
It shifts.
¿Qué pasa?
It went into 6th.
6?
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't know why. Very annoying.
But try this one more time. The tires, bro.
Yeah.
They're good.
Yeah, are they?
Well, we use the old super tires, as you can see, so.
Okay, let's try one more time and then we're gonna switch.
One more time, vamos. Yeah. What do you guys prefer? Black or these rims? I prefer the chrome rims though. They look sick.
Hopefully, this time it will stay in gear. Again, wrong gears.
Let's see what his reaction is. Again?
Up.
Huh?
It's shifting up.
Yeah, I had the same problem. It's automatically shifting up all the time.
Very annoying. It's impossible to drift like this. It literally shifts up instead of down. It goes from 1st to 4th here
In like 3
and
seconds.
then it's gonna. I don't know, man.
The first couple of seconds go really great.
Yeah. And then it shifts automatically. We don't have a transmission tune.
That's the reason. I was about to say, because we haven't tuned the car yet, it has this problem. But it is what it is. I will try one more time and let's see.
I wouldn't try it though.
They're good enough. Game plan, some buttons down to make it less aggressively.
Okay, so we have maybe a solution for the transmission because we have it in the most aggressive setting, so it upshifts
Automatically.
very aggressively. So we're gonna try to put it in the lowest setting and see if it, well, doesn't upshift.
So much easier to drift with an F80, so yeah.
It is.
If we had one, it was peanuts, but now it's a little bit more difficult because we hadn't tuned the car yet.
We haven't tuned the car, the transmission is stock. I mean, excuses, but it is really true. If it doesn't upshift automatically, it's really easy to keep in the power, but it cuts the power because it upshifts into 4th and 5th.
Yeah.
So you can't keep the drift, and then it's gonna, because these tires are very grippy. I don't know how. It's also it's midsummer right now. It's like 38 degrees, and these are Michelin Pilot Sport, so it's grippy tires.
And the ground is like 45 degrees maybe.
It's also very grippy, like almost highway asphalt. Yeah.
But if we want the transmission go down and up, if we turn it up, it goes aggressive, and
Wait, if there's a button on it that
down is obviously
less aggressive. Yeah.
and up is aggressive.
And it's now in the 3rd setting, so you're gonna try to put it in a low setting.
Yes, and see what happens.
And see what happens.
Let's turn this shit on.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. You got this.
Let's go, guys. See? This works. It works, yeah.
It works?
It feels so much more drivable like this.
Okay, let's go. Another round. Let's go. You
I
got
will
this.
try one more time and then we'll switch.
Yeah.
Okay guys, well, now it's easy. You just have to just feel it.
Wait, let me check the tires. Oh, that's a lot of smoke.
Yeah, I feel so. Look back.
Oh my god.
Now it works. Let's go. Now you would change. Okay, guys. We will change now.
I think there's some tire left though.
We will change and now you will try.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Now it's his turn.
Let's try.
Oh, those tires! See, now it works.
It works.
See?
Let's go.
Good job.
Alright.
Oh, awkward handshake. Well, I'm shaking. Well, it looks so cool, but the tire is great.
Oh my god, that last set was crazy. Let me check the tires. Oh my god, they're done.
No, especially the right tire. Look at this.
Look at this.
Bro, look at this. Well, as you can see, guys, video is succeeded.
I mean, yeah. Sad that we didn't figure it out sooner.
No, but at least we figured out what it was.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna tune the car, make it stage 2, tune the transmission, and we're gonna redo it and compare the results.
I think that's a good
Yeah?
option, yeah. So guys, stay tuned, I swear.
The rubber is all over the place, and so are we, because we enjoyed the hell out of it.
This is not the only car we're gonna drift. We will drift as well with the Supra.
And then we're gonna see which car drifts better and who is the winner in that competition. Speaking about winners, now it's time to announce the winner of this competition,
Which is,
in 3, 2, 1. I think
it's you guys. Go comment down below and leave your comment who you think is the best drifter.
between us, and well, that was a fair game.
Well played.
Well played. I think it's time to wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and
We see you guys next week.
absolutely love these rims. I
Fuck
think
those rims, but and those tires.